Joe wrote in. Compliments first. We love your show. We've been listening to your Saturday home improvement show on CJAD for as long as we can remember. Well, either they have short memories or I'm getting old. Could you possibly tell me the best way to paint over varnished pine panels, meaning glossy? Okay, it's not really difficult. First, you want to get them totally clean. That usually means a TSP cleaning and rinsing it off. Second, if they are really highly glossy, if you can, it would be good to give it a light sanding just to take the gloss off. And then once you've done that, you can actually paint right over it. If you really want to make things stick exceptionally well, then you may want to go here where I wrote an article on my website about painting over ceramic tile. You see this polyprep, and there's a lot of different brands that work with this, but you'll see this down in the bottom here. Let me just circle this for you. Down here, super adherent and fast drying. Super adherent primers. Super adherent primers are lousy paints, but they are one of the best primer you can have because they will stick to something as glossy as ceramic tile or varnished panels or just those glossy finished panels. This will stick, and then paint will stick to this. And so that's the trick to make those things work.